Rail PSU IRCTC is focusing massively on tourism, and in the same direction IRCTC is going to run a special tourist train named Garvi Gujarat. And here is the first look of the train Garvi Gujarat, which is designed on the theme of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, the scheme that is run by government and that focuses on the vibrant heritage of Gujarat. And this is Garvi Gujarat, that is special train that will run on tracks for 8 days, will cover a distance of 3,500 kilometers. Now this special train will be having two composition, AC first and AC second. But what are going to be the special features? Let me take you across, and we are going to enter AC second class. And once you enter, you see a beautifully aesthetically designed coaches. These are refurbished coaches that have been specifically designed so as to give more comfort and better facilities to passengers. Now once you enter the AC second coach, you see you will be truly impressed by the features and the comfort that has been provided to passengers. Now these are, if you see the linen that has been provided, towel, water bottle holders. From the safety point of view, if you see, these sort of lockers have also been provided to the passengers. Well lit area, LED lighting has been provided. And if you see, if you want to sit and have a view of outside through these big window screens, that also you can do. You are provided with these sort of chairs, are quite comfortable chairs. If you want to read, then this sort of lighting that has been provided. So just by pushing this button, these read lights will make it quite easy for you. In addition to this, the entire coach has been covered through this CCTV camera which has been placed, and these CCTV cameras will be monitored on a real-time basis. In addition to this, there are a couple of other facilities that has also been provided, like foot massager that is given. The washroom area or the toilet area is redesigned in a way that it is much more convenient to use. It is properly no smell is there, and these sort of facilities are there. Now let me show you this foot massage that is provided, and 8-day long journey. If you want to sit and relax, then you can use this foot massage as well. If you want to enjoy book reading, then a shelf that has been provided, and over here books have been provided for the passengers. Now you can choose, you can read the books. Similarly, if you see, let me show you a glimpse of AC second. Now this coach also comes with these sort of features, like you can polish your shoe. And in addition to this, let me take you to AC first. Simply you have to cross, and then let me take you to AC first segment. This is the AC second class, and for AC first, because only two classes have been provided, the AC first and AC second. Now I am taking you to AC first segment. Now these sort of paintings that will be there in the entire train, that will make aesthetically more appealing. And this is the AC first segment, the whole gallery with some beautiful paintings. And this is the AC first class. If you see, the AC first have a wider berth, better comfort. If one wants to climb up for the upper berth, then this sort of stairs have been provided. So this train will cover prominent places in Gujarat, like the Statue of Liberty, Statue of Unity will be there. In addition to this, Somnath, Dwarka, Nageshwar, Bet Dwarka, Ahmedabad, Mudhera, Patan. These are a couple of places where the train will be going, and you can enjoy the scenic beauty over there. Now what is going to be the fare structure? So for AC second class, 52,250 per passenger that has been decided by IRCTC, and for AC first it's gonna be 67,140. This will include all the veg meals, your sightseeing, your transportation when you will be visiting these places. So this is the fare structure that has been decided. But Garvi Gujarat is a special tourist train run by IRCTC, and the IRCTC says that they are also planning to run more such trains. With camera person Thompson, this is Samir Dixit for ET Now.